Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. It's Mask Monday, episode 2. So when I was doing my April Shop My Stash, I picked 4 masks because I knew that I was going to do these Mask Monday videos. And I have used one. I used one last Monday. And here are the other 3 that I picked. But yesterday, I was at Dollar General, which is affectionately called Dollar General by my Missouri family. I was walking down their clearance aisle, and I found some masks. And you know, nothing like a good old clearance mask, or again, as my Missouri family says, good old clearance mask. So I'm thinking that I'm probably going to use one of these instead, but they had some very interesting masks, so I thought that I would show them to you. And $1.25 for a mask, you can't beat that. So this is, 4 of these are 7th Heaven mask, and this is a green tea peel-off mask. Now I've watched a couple of y'all's videos, you Mask Monday ladies videos with these peel-off masks, and I laughed so hard, I'm sorry to tell you, at how painful it was for y'all to pull these masks off. So of course you know I got to try one. I'm gonna shave the little hairs off, I think. Yes, I am, before I try one of these peel-off masks. So anyway, that one's green tea. And then we have a black seaweed peel-off mask. This is a deep pore detox. It says easy, so we'll see. This one was $1.25 too. The green tea says that it's revitalizing and purifying. And then we have a charcoal peel-off mask. This one is cleansing and detoxifying. That one, I believe, was also $1.25. This one was a little bit more pricey at $1.50. But this says Hot Springs Sauna Mask. It's got volcanic minerals in it, and it is self-heating therapy. It says it gently warms and exfoliates. So this little sucker right here gets hot. So anyway, I thought that those were very interesting, and especially when they were on clearance. So I picked those up for your future entertainment. But for today, ladies and gentlemen, we are doing a llama mask because Renee on her channel last week had a panda mask, and then Mary Catherine Loves Cats had on a kitty cat mask, and they just looked so flippin' cute. That's trying to say slow and flippin' at the same time. So, oh my gosh. I have not been drinking. I'm having just a little bit of sparkling water. It doesn't have any alcohol in it, I promise. Anyway, this little llama mask is so cute. It's a printed face mask. It says relax and hydrate. It has aloe and avocado in it. My gosh, I can't talk today. What's wrong with me? And look at what it says. Whole Llama Love. Isn't that just, that is just so flippin' cute. Oh. And hopefully today I have a better pair of scissors, because you know I'm going to cut on it to make it fit my face. And hopefully these scissors cut better and y'all don't get excited about me trying to poke my eyeball out. Ooh. Holy cow, that smells good. Which is bad juju because I don't like to put fragrance on my face. Well, you know, I don't like it, but gosh, the stuff sure does smell good. Ooh. That is very, very slimy. Is that thing still good? Is that why it was on clearance? Because it's been in there so long, it's turning into stuff. See, I can unfold it. I don't have to sit on something honest. Basically, I'm just getting ready. These masks are so hard to unfold. I'm not sure if I'm used to it. But I'm not used to it. Oh my goodness. How flippin' cute. I'm gonna be so purty in my little llama mask. I certainly hope y'all are enjoying watching me trying to. Alrighty, here we go. Here we go. It smells like cotton candy. I ain't too sure about that. But I'm here to tell you, my eyebrows have never looked so good. I gotta get this cute little llama nose out. Look at my cute little llama nose. I even have little llama lips. Look at them. Maybe I should have put it on and then turned on the camera. That would have been a shock for you just to see me pop on camera with a llama face. And my hair's in the way. Alright. Scissors. Oh, yeah, it's much better. There we have it. Llama mask. Look at how cute I am. Look at my little flowers. Okay, pay attention to the time. Okay. So, I got the Brandefy box. I know, another subscription box. This is $15. I don't know if they come monthly. I'll put down in the description all the information about it. But it's $15 and $5 to ship it, so 20 bucks. But I was able to pick, oh, it's kind of tingling a little bit. I was able to pick the products that I wanted. They gave you a choice, and I chose which products I wanted. So, I got the Julep Charcoal Cognac Sponge. This is for you to exfoliate with. It comes with a little shower hook, and it is the Allure Best of Beauty 2016 award winner. So that's quite exciting. Y'all know I was going to say that because I say that all the daggone time. Exfoliate your face in the shower. Where am I putting it? Trying to get this done quickly now, so this video isn't 16 days long. Where is it? Where is it? Up here it is. This retails for $8. It's all natural. Alrighty, moving on. The next thing that I chose was this Yes to Avocado fragrance-free daily eye cream, and this is retails for $10, and it's skin plumping hyaluronic acid, hyaluronic acid. Rich cream hydrates dull skin around your eyes and helps smooth fine lines. It has jojoba, coconut, sweet almond, and avocado oils to leave the under eyes feeling moisturized, nourished, and soothed. It says it's for dry skin, and I have oily combo skin, but my under eye area seems to stay really dry for some reason. The next thing that I chose was this Pixi Skin Treats On the Glow Ginseng and Glycolic Acid Moisture Stick. Hydrate your face, lips, and body on the go when skin is feeling dull with this travel-friendly solid moisture. Contains vitamin D2 to help protect the skin against damage, ginseng to revitalize and balance your complexion, and glycolic acid to renew and moisturize. This retails for $18. My hand's all wet again. Because I got this because I thought it would be great to throw in my purse for some on-the-go glow and moisturizer. Isn't it cute? Little stick. It's got a little cover on it. Then you just twist it up. And it does make you glowy. So I'm excited about that too, because, you know, things excite me. I have no idea whether that has a scent to it because all I can smell is cotton candy Llama Mask. And the last thing in my little box that I really am quite excited about, let me move the box out the way, is this Milani palette. So I got to choose between the Gilded Coast or the Gilded Jewel, and I chose the Jewel palette. And look how pretty that is. Very, very pretty little palette. This retails for 20 bucks, so that's 20, 38, 48, $52 is the value of the box, and I paid 20 bucks for it. I really like these printed matte. They're just fun. I mean, if you're gonna do this, isn't it great to just have fun with it? Because, you know, sometimes life and people are hard. So you have to just do, I mean, like, I should go grocery shopping right now in my Llama Mask. Just walk around Walmart, as my mama used to call it, and just make people smile. Wouldn't that be great? I'm figuring that I kind of want to let this dry down pretty good before I take it off. So I think I'm just going to pause the video, let the mask work its magic, and when I come back, I will be filled with a whole Llama Love. One thing while I'm waiting for the Llama Love to work its magic, in the last video, the last Mask Monday video that I posted, I'm doing a giveaway. Over $400 worth of goodies in this giveaway box, and I will draw a name for that giveaway when I reach 200 subscribers. I think I'm at like 131 now. So if you have not watched that video or did not comment on that video, I will link it somewhere so that you can go watch it. And you must like and subscribe and be publicly subscribed to my channel so that I can verify you're subscribed. And leave a comment. The instructions of what you're to leave in your comment are in the video, so you need to watch the video to figure out what you need to put in the comment. Okay, and one more thing. You people that were worried about doing the snail mask because you were worried about it being slimy, I'm here to tell you, this Llama Mask is 20 times slimier than that snail mask ever was. So y'all get on out there and get you a snail mask, or if you've got one and you didn't use it, get on it. Beware the Llama Mask. Just saying. Okay, so I'm back. It's kind of dried out now. It's been a little longer than 20 minutes. I got a little distracted, so Let's peel it off. It's so cute, I hate to take it off. I mean, seriously, look how cute I am. All right. Let's take it off. I'm glad to know that the little inky things didn't transfer. Wouldn't that have been cute? Just rub all of that into my skin. Feels nice and soft. My face is really cold. So there we go. Whole Llama Love. Oh, that just makes me happy. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today to watch me wear a whole Llama Love face mask. If you're new around here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. It sure would make my day. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscription button and ring that bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher? You know how I keep telling you you need to shave? I have figured out how to make you shave. When you get here in June, I can't wait for you to get... We are going to be busy little bees when you get here in June, because every video I keep saying, when you get here in June, we're going to do such and such. We have a lot to do. We have a lot to do. When you get here in June, we're going to do a peel-off mask. You're not going to want to do this with hair on your face, so you're going to have to shave it off so that your face is baby smooth when I smear this peel-off mask all over your face and then rip it all off. It's going to be great. Mama loves you, boo.